This video demonstrates the installation of acoustic panels, prints and edging, and covers all panel thicknesses. We recommend acoustic panels to be installed by 2 or more experienced and professional tradespeople. Care needs to be taken to achieve maximum results. These are the common tools required for installation. Ensure tools are always clean and sharp, and always have clean hands or gloves to prevent any soiling. Ensure surfaces are free of dust and imperfections. Wipe the surface area clean with a damp cloth and protect skirtings. Before installation, measure the wall or ceiling area and check the installation plan. Check the length of each wall section, as most walls are not perfectly straight or level. Place a level to check if the wall runs out. If it's not sufficiently level, then you may need to make good the walls or mount the panels to split battens. Boxes and panels should be handled with care and carried vertically upright by 2 tradespeople. Do not carry horizontally, as it will bend and crease the centre of the panels. Check that the panels are not damaged and the correct product has been received. All panels must be installed in the order in which they are packed, or if labelled, install in numerical sequence as detailed on the back of the panel. All panels must be measured and squared up prior to installation. Check the panels are square and, if required, cut a straight edge using a long blade utility knife or festool saw and metal cutting guide. Then cut panels to the appropriate length. Acoustic panels can be installed with the butt joining method. Panel thicknesses can vary by 1 to 2 millimeters. Therefore, trial fit a few panels by using a slow-drying construction adhesive and check for variances at the eyeline level. If there are variances, some panels may need spacing to achieve a flush finish. Use either double-sided tape, a thick strip of construction adhesive, or alloy strips to the back of the panel to space it out. On a clean drop sheet, carefully spray or brush on contact adhesive to the entire panel and wall installation area. Clean off any adhesive spills if required. After waiting the drying guide time, place panel and gently press or use a smooth carpet roller until it is flush with the other panels. Acoustic panels can be installed with edging profiles, and we recommend the use of edging with our 25mm and 50mm panels. Mark position of edging according to the panel width and measure and cut edging to the same size as the wall length. If necessary, drill an extra hole so the edging can be fixed to the wall at each end. Line up the edging and mark the position for the screws. Drill holes, insert wall mates, and then drill screws to fix. If the wall is not level, the edging may need to be fixed firmly together, either on or off the wall. Trial fit panel to wall and then apply contact adhesive and clean off any spills. After waiting the drying guide time, tuck the panel into the edging and lightly run your hand or a smooth carpet roller across the entire panel until secure. Repeat this process for the next panel. All prints will be supplied with an unprinted border and must be measured, squared up and trimmed from the print edge on all 4 sides, even when using the edging profiles. All acoustic prints are directional. Mark the back to ensure all panels are installed with the correct orientation to avoid any colour and pattern variation. Each print pattern repeat is different. Therefore, trim panels according to the specific guidelines found on our website. Do not measure and trim from the panel edges. On a cutting table, check prints are square and, if required, take a straight edge between the pattern at both ends and trim. Then cut to the appropriate length, taking the pattern repeat into consideration. Due to the artisan nature of the hand-printed process, there may be slight variation in the prints, so always check panels side by side for correct pattern matching prior to cutting and installing. Trial fit panels and check for pattern matching as well as thickness variances. To achieve a flush finish, space out any thinner panels if required. Joins may be obvious upon installation and there will be a panelling effect. Apply contact adhesive, clean off any spills and wait the drying guide time before installing panels. For further details, please refer to our installation guidelines. If you have any questions, please contact your local distributor.